As its genus, Beta vulgaris, suggests, chard is in fact a beet that has been chosen for leaf production at the expense of root formation. All chard varieties are descendants of the sea beet, a wild seashore plant found growing along the Mediterranean and Atlantic coasts of Europe and North Africa. Rainbow Swiss chard is distinguished by its bouquet of wrinkled, slightly rich green and bronze leaves and bright colored stems. The leaves grow upright and tall from a dense rosette of ribbed stems and a myriad of colors including gold, pink, orange, purple, red, and white with bright pastel variations. In the culinary world, rainbow Swiss chard is used as a salad green and a leaf vegetable, making it a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. It can be used both raw and cooked. Cooking will give you the leaves a milder flavor. Chard in general is used as a substitute for spinach and in tandem with other hardy greens such as kale, leaf mustards, and collards. Many vegetables and flowers make suitable chard plant companions. Tomatoes, one of the most popular vegetables, do quite well when paired with chard. Also, everything in the cabbage or brassica family takes to growing with chard quite well, as does anything in the onion family. Beans are excellent chard companion plants. The Swiss chard will be ready to harvest by the time the beans are getting ready to have a growth spurt and overshadow the chard. In the meantime, the chard shades the tender bean seedlings and helps to retain soil moisture. Chard is known to be a nutritional powerhouse vegetable packed with vitamins, nutrients, and health benefits. Rainbow Swiss chard contains high levels of vitamins C, K, and E, beta-carotene, and the minerals manganese and zinc. As noted, it also contains betaline. Betaline pigments have repeatedly been shown to support activity within the body's detoxification process, activating and processing unwanted toxic substances. Betalines are not heat stable though, so longer cooking times can decrease their presence.